Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a wet soil mix using EcoWool wool pellets. So what I have here is I have 4 cups of standard potting mix. You can use whatever it is you'd like. I have half a cup of our raw wool pellets, and I have some water. So first of all, I'm going to take the pellets and I'm going to put it into an empty bowl. Then I am going to add some water. The amount of water actually is determined on how you want your soil mix, and you'll see that the pellets end up absorbing water quite quickly. So you kind of want to just let this do its thing, absorb water. While this is happening, you'll probably smell a little bit of sheep because of course they're raw wool pellets. But you can see already that they are breaking down. They are getting quite mushy. I want them a little more mush-like. I'm kind of looking for a really runny oatmeal texture. This is not oatmeal, so do not eat it. But you can see them breaking down. You can see how much moisture is in here. I'm going to add some more water still. So I started off with 2 cups of water, and I've now added a full 1 cup of water. And we still have some pellets that are quite hard and dry in the middle. We're now getting to kind of that wet, goopy oatmeal stage. Most of the large pellets are gone. It's pretty much just kind of shredded wool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 4 cups of potting soil to the wool pellets, and now we're going to mix it up really, really well. Think about if you're kneading bread. You're kind of making a wool and soil dough. Now this type of mix is ideal for seedlings, particularly when you want the moisture in right away and you want the soil to hold the moisture. So like kind of a good dough or a cookie mix, it will hold itself together. You can break it apart, but it's also not too tight. So that is how you deal with a wet soil mix using wool pellets.